friends, welcome back to Anira Trends. If you are watching for the first time, you can just click on the subscribe button and bell icon for future notifications. And here I am with the tutorial which is very unique and which is not made up of any thread, silk thread or cotton thread. Okay, the idea behind this is the fabric. Take any fabric in the lengthwise like 10 centimeter into 5 centimeter wide. Okay, this way, and remove the threads. This is a kind of chanderi silk kind of material. So this way you have to remove your threads. So what I am going to do is I am going to do this on a raw silk material also. I'll just show you. Make this until you reach like 1 centimeter before. That is to roll up. See, this is a raw silk material. Remove the threads as I did in that blue color material. And this kind of tassel is actually available in the market. Once I was looking at the tassel and the finishing was so good, and there is no tangles actually, and the material also won't get tangles that easily like silk thread. Even cotton thread won't get tangled so easily, but silk thread will lose its shape very easily, but this kind of tassel will stay for long. So this way remove the threads just till before 1 centimeter from the other end. Fine. This is very similar like making sari kuchu. If you are aware of that, you may know that. So here I am done with it. Here I left like 2 centimeters, and in the blue one I have left like 1 centimeter gap. So the next is to roll up. Either you can trim the edge or you can just roll it as such. To roll this we need a grip. So here I am using a needle to hold the fabric. This way, just roll up. Make sure that the rolling is equal. You should follow this line so that your tassel will be in equal size. So roll it up this way. Make it a little tight. The best material to do this is like crepe material or any synthetic material. Okay, and here I am done. You can just remove the pin or the needle. Now I am just knots to secure this tassel. You can also stitch it if you want. You can do that. Also, if you want, you can just apply like any masking tape or paper tape to secure the tassel and give a neat and finished look. So but here I am just making a knot and securing this tassel. So here it's done. The next step is to add the bead cap. So our tassel will be done. Before that, you can just check how much you want to trim off. Just trim it off. So it's better to leave more than 1 centimeter in the top part, so that if required you can just trim it off. That's the reason. So here it's done. Just comb off and even out the tassel and trim it at the edges. Now level it and trim it off. This looks almost like a cotton tassel, right? But the blue one that I have used, that I have shown in the first one, that I have used like crepe material, that was really good. But you can just try with your material and you will get to know only after trying. Okay, to add the pin, to convert this into a earring, just I am knotting a thread, thick thread. Okay, make a loop and give a tight knot so that you can add your eye pin or head pin to hang your tassel. This way you can just secure your tassel and add your pins. So when you're out for your shopping, the next time you can just notice, or you can just check whether the tassel is made up of silk thread or this kind of material. You can just check it off. Add your earring findings and finish this tassel. So here it's done with adding pin. It's a head pin, so trim off the head and add your conical shape bead cap. That is cone shape. ஸோ இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். சேனல் இப்போ தான் ஃபஸ்ட் டைம் வரீங்கன்னா சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். இது எவ்வளோ சூப்பராக இருக்குது. இது வந்து நார்மல் சில்க் த்ரெட் மாதிரி ரொம்ப சிக்கு போடாது, அது ஷேப் மாறாது. இந்த ப்ளூ கலர் பாருங்கள், சூப்பராக இருக்குது. த ஃபஸ்ட் ஒன் தட் இஸ் மேட் அப் ஆஃப் synthetic material. So till then, take